Hey everyone! So those hanging hearts that I had in my post today, I want to show you how to make them. It's so easy. So here's what you do. You take your paper. I take 2 sheets at a time, fold them in half, put them together, and then I cut out hearts. You want 2 of them, and they can be any size you want, any color. So cut them out. Cut, cut, cut. There you go. Open them up. You should have 2 hearts and you have this nice fold already. Okay? So now what you do is you put them together like this. And then you take a string or a ribbon. I like to use ribbon, like packaging ribbon. It's a little bit thicker. And it's easier to work with. So then you put the ribbon, put the ribbon down like that. You can hold it in place with tape if you wanted to, and then you put another one on top. You put the heart on top like this. Make sure the ribbon is right in the middle. And then you take a stapler. You come in here and you staple it. I do 2 staples just so I make sure it stays. And then what you do is you just fold the hearts. Fold them forward and then fold them back. And there you go. And then what I usually do is I make a whole bunch of hearts and put a whole bunch of hearts on one strand. And then you just hang it up from the ceiling and you have these really cute hearts that you can hang anywhere, and it just changes a whole room. So I hope you give it a try. It's really fun.